tea. I love tea on a cold day. Hello everybody, I am back again. I thought I'd make another video for ya, or for me, whatever. It could be for me, just for me, all by my lonesome. I like making videos like this. You know, I like to document my life, so I make them anyways. I don't care who's watching. I don't care who's watching. So anyways, I thought I would give you a tour of my humble abode, my office. Okay, so you probably already know by the title of the video that this is going to be a very, not minimalist per se, but very minimal setup as far as an office goes. I don't have too many things, and I will tell you why. I just don't think if it doesn't serve a function, it shouldn't be in a functional area where you do work. So get it out of here. If it's not going to help you out at all with any of your stuff, it's only going to be distraction, and it's only going to get in your way. I cannot take credit for this. This was built for me a little while ago, a couple of years ago. It was built for me, so cannot take credit for that, but it's very cool, very neat setup. My computer. Up here we're going to have my huge monitor. Now, I got this monitor when I was graduating from high school, and it cost more than the computer that I bought at the time. And I was like, should I do this? But I never regretted it. Every time someone sees this, like, wow, that's a big monitor, and I love it. I love it because I can have not so many programs open, but I can have a lot of programs open, and you just split the screen, and you don't need like two screens. It's already as big as one screen. This is my Wacom tablet. So very cool. I do this for digital drawing and everything like that. This desk, look at this. I got this for $50. $50 at Lowe's. I didn't get a super expensive, I didn't get a super expensive desk that I had to like put together and anything like that. I got something that if I really wanted to, I could just pack it up and carry it and move, my whole setup here to a different location in the house if I wanted to, and it wouldn't be a huge ordeal. This is my easel. Again, a very efficient setup here. If you like to oil paint, there is my oil painting supplies and stuff. So I actually haven't looked in here for a little while. This is more of my arts and crafts type deal. Now this is what's going to be like unorganized, well, not super unorganized, but here's just office supplies. This is a really cool, these are really cool scissors that I got at a Renaissance fair one time. This is not a knife. Hold on, let me see. Haha. Pretty cool. And then all of this is going to be black and white coloring. Anything like charcoal, graphite, marker, it's all black or white in here. And then all of my colors. So anything color related. Oh, this fell out. Anything color related. So watercolor pencils, Copic watercolor. This is pastel. More stuff. All there. In here. Wow, you know what I have in here? Oh, more painting supplies. In here. More painting supplies. This is acrylic stuff. This is clay. This I haven't gotten into in a while, and I love it. I think it's so cool. And I have all like my instruments in here for the clay to sculpt it. I haven't been able to do that for a while. I want to get back into that. And then here is more painting stuff for oil and tape, and here's another tray that I use and I don't use because I don't want to clean it off. So there's that. I have my electronics up here, everything electronics that I have no idea like how to organize. I put it up here, microphone, GoPro, camera, and all my camera equipment's in here, so that's all in there. Then we're gonna have, this is just a random bag I got from somebody. This is for lighting, a camera, it poofs out for lighting. Some extra canvases. This is something to help steady a camera in there. And then we're gonna go down to my sketchbooks. So these sketchbooks are not all finished. I have a whole box filled with finished sketchbooks. Another note to add in there. If you are an artist, finish one sketchbook before buying more sketchbooks, or it's gonna look like this, okay? You're gonna have 1,000. And then we're gonna have my D&D collection, animator's guide. All these are anatomy books, and we're gonna have our journals. I can make a whole video, which I will, on journals and journaling and why I think it's important. All right, and then we're gonna have our purses, hooray. This, I'm learning embroidery, hooray. And then this is gonna be my graduation stuff and all that fun stuff. Voila! This is my lovely, lovely goblet of subscribers. If you are not already subscribed, subscribe so I can add another one of these babies in here. Every time I get a subscriber, I put something in there. So let's fill this bucket. All right, and then my crowning jewel is my huge calendar. You can see the entire year just by looking at this. You don't need to flip through things. Out of sight, out of mind is not efficient. So what is efficient? Seeing everything right there. And then we're gonna go down to here. These are my instruments. I need to fix my cello because the bridge is not working. Guitar, amp, violin. And then up here, this is where you get the knickknacks. I have some stuff for change. I have a speaker, so I use it sometimes. More foreign coins I put in there. There's a note from my honey. There's our dog. And then that I got at Disney. So that's like these two are the only things that are really like knickknacks besides those candles. But I guess they have a use. And then we have this, which is my armoire. And there's me. Hello. So that pretty much concludes the office tour. There's not a lot of stuff in here, and yet there is a lot that I can do in this room. I have put things that I work with, like tools, first before style. So I'll eventually get to style. Right now, it's all just exactly what I use for my creative purposes. So there you have it. That was my room tour, my office tour, I mean. Feel free to ask in the comments any questions you have for me. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys soon.